Welcome back. Today we will learn how to make urban black view in this photo. First of all, check the link in the description to download this photo, and you can also check Adobe Stock to download a lot of photos from there. So check back later. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to tools, click on pencil icon. From here go to vintage, and from here you can go for 11, 12, anything else. In this case I am going for 12. Then on the bottom side you can see the adjustment icon. Click on that, 3 lines. Then go for brightness. Decrease the brightness something like 30, 31, and then go for other options, saturation and so on. Now how to go for other options? If you drag your finger from bottom to top, again if you drag your finger from bottom to top, you will go their option, brightness, saturation and anything else that any tool have. Go for now saturation. Decrease the saturation all the way to 100, and then go for style strength. If you want you can change it, but we will change it later. First of all, from here on the right bottom, check the mark. Now on the right top side, click on the revert option, then go to view edits, and from here go to vintage, and then go to brush options. From here, first of all, on the left bottom side you can see the invert option. So invert the image from here, then make sure that vintage is 0. You can see the 2 arrows, one is up and the second is down. Up will increase the vintage and down will decrease the vintage. So first of all, decrease the vintage to 0 with down arrow, then zoom in and paint on the area where we don't want the urban black view. Paint on the skin and very carefully. If you have a mouse, you can paint very carefully. In this case I am using my finger, but you can also use mouse. Paint very correctly, because the advantage of mouse is that it will show a circle. You can paint very easily. I will move fast where need. You just focus on. After that, on the right bottom, check the mark and then go to back. From left top side you can see the arrow. Go back, and now click on the pencil, go to tools, and then go to curves. On the third button, curves. On the left side, take it up the darker areas and then take it down the brighter areas, and then click on the left top side. On the bottom side you can see 3 buttons. Click on the first button and then go for red channels, and also take it down the brighter areas. Then click again on the button, then go for green channel and also decrease the highlights. Again click on that and go for blue channel and decrease the highlights and increase the darker areas. Again click on channels, go for again RGB channels and click a point in the middle, then here and then here, and take the darker areas up something like this and take it down the brighter areas or the highlights, and then check the mark, and you can see my friend urban black view is hopefully completed. And you can see my friend urban black view in this photo. You can also see before and after. Press and hold your finger on the photo to see before, then release, you can see the after. My friend, you can check. It is not too much good because I use my finger, but you can use your mouse, or you can take time with it and you can play it with it to urban black view, to make urban black view. Very simple. You can zoom in and check this. Now you can export that. On the right bottom side you can see export option. From here you have 4 options. You can export. I usually export, just expose the third or the second button, export, and can open. You can see that and zoom in and just look at the image, and that's pretty much. You can see before and after. Here's the before and here is the after. That's pretty much for all today. You can take time to play with it and can make a beautiful urban black view. And I have do this just for your understanding. So hope this helps you, and if it did, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and not just to subscribe, ring the bell that you, my friend, don't miss out any other feature, tips, tricks or tutorials. So meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.